or we can put it on top of our spaghetti. Hello everyone, good morning. Today is Sunday, and today guys we are going to prepare our food for 2 to 3 days, and I am going to use all my ingredients from our garden, from the pantry, yes, from the freezer. So that's what we are going to do today guys. As of now, I am already cooking chicken adobo for lunch. I already have the rice cooked, and now our chickens, some of the ingredients that I'm going to use are still frozen, like the meatballs, like the chicken breast, they are still frozen. And I want to show you also some of the ingredients guys, okay? Alright, so we have our garlics here and the onions from the garden. I bought also these asparagus the other day guys, and I didn't use yet, and look, I'm not sure if I can still use this, but yeah, I'm going to use that. We have these wrinkling peppers from the garden, because I put this one guys in the fridge for quite long already. And this squash is also from the garden. This eggplant is also from the garden. We have sweet potato here that is bought because I didn't dig mine yet. Some carrots. We have frozen chicken breast, and also we have frozen meatballs. I did this the other day guys. I bought mincemeat and then I added some ingredients and made into meatballs. And we also have soup in here, and this one is for tonight's dinner. Yes, look how delicious is that. Yeah, so what we're going to do is roasted vegetables guys. We have root vegetables and also this one's peppers and other things with this. And then I'm going to just to fry this, and then I'm going to add tomato sauce. And I'm still thinking what I'm going to cook guys. Alright guys, so I will just show you some clips, and then maybe I'm going to do voiceover after, okay, because I have to do many things guys. Alright friends, while our chicken breast is thawing, I am just peeling all the ingredients and also taking out the seeds of the butternut squash and also the seeds of the peppers. Yes, and then after that I am peeling. And then after that guys, I wash all the vegetables, and then I slice them into cubes, and I put them in a baking tray. Meanwhile, let's put the frozen meatballs into the baking dish, so it will thaw a little bit before we put into the oven, and the oven is also preheating. And now it's time to take the onions. These are the onions from our garden. I peeled it, and also I am slicing it and add into our vegetables. remember that I have a frozen zucchini or courgette, so I went to take a bag of courgette. Now adding in the frozen courgette onto the vegetables, and then after that I also washed asparagus, and then I cut into slices. And now the vegetable is ready to be seasoned, so I seasoned it with salt and pepper and extra virgin olive oil, and it's ready to put into the oven. And the temperature of the oven is 180 degrees Celsius into maybe 40 minutes or until all the vegetable is cooked. And now our meatballs is ready to put into the oven. Okay guys, I have to go and throw these to the compost. Hello guys, so I am waiting for the roasted vegetables to be cooked, and then I will continue cooking guys, because we have a little bit of problem with our electricity. Yeah, I don't know guys. Whenever I use two very high voltage of electricity, like this induction, because this induction really powerful guys, it consumes so easily or very fast the electricity or the energy of the electricity, and then also our oven. So if I turn them on together, and then the circuit will stop guys. What we are doing is, when I use the oven, then I cannot use this induction cooktop, or if I am cooking and then I cannot turn on our dryer, our clothes dryer, because you know that is also very high, you know, it consumes lots of energy. That is why guys. So I am waiting for the roasted vegetables to be cooked, and then I will continue cooking. Meanwhile, I went to the other house also to wash our clothes. Yeah, and then I saw that my curing onions are outside, are still in our porch. Yes guys, and it's getting colder, and sometimes it rained a lot, and humidity and all that, so I decided to bring in here in our kitchen the onions guys. So I showed you earlier the onions, but that was the ones that I cut and also that I dried, and I am using that every day. But I did some braided and tied onions guys, so I want to hang that somewhere here in our kitchen, but I don't see any place to hang it, or else we are going to make a hole or to drill guys something just to hold the braided onions. And I am thinking if I'm going to hang that or not, or I will just cut it and put in that crate, in that plastic crate. So I am thinking, but the thing is, it's so beautiful. Wait, I'll show you. So it's here guys, it's so beautiful. So aside from that crate, I have lots of small onions that we consumed already. Yeah. And I have these, and I still have these ones. Yeah, so I'm thinking to cut this one guys, to remove from the dried leaves, and this one is to hang somewhere, because as you can see, it's so beautiful. And it also serves as a decoration here in our kitchen. But the thing is, I cannot find I cannot find where to hang it. That is why I am thinking to put that. Maybe it won't hold because it's heavy, this one. It's heavy. But they're beautiful. Hello everyone, I just take it out, and I will mix this and then put it to the oven again, but it seems that it is cooked already. Now I'm going to remove, I'm not going to put this anymore, and I will just put this one, guys, to roast a little bit more. Let's try to poke it. Yeah, that is cooked. Sweet potato is cooked too. This one is cooked as well. Look, can you see? Delicious. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is I will cut these onions and put them here, guys, directly now, like, you know, like this one. And I have this beautiful one, guys, but I'm not sure if I'm going to cut it or hang somewhere. But the thing is, I don't have any place to hang it. OMG, what a pity, huh? My husband said that we are going to think where we can hang this beautiful onions. Woohoo! Okay, so it is cooked already. I am letting it cool, and then I'm going to put in a Tupperware or in a container. And also our meatballs, they are cooked as well, and we're going to put also this one into a Tupperware. And then whenever we want to eat something, we just have to add tomato sauce, and then that's it, guys. Or we can put it on top of our spaghetti. And we can try this.
¿Qué ve?
Huh?
Sí. Y una esto, ¿no? Para pegar la pizza.
Sí, sí.
Hacemos aquí. Vale.
Yeah. Time to cook our last menu, which is lentils, guys. Spanish lentils. So the ingredients are, of course, lentils, a handful of rice, white rice, or if you have brown rice, any rice, and then you just have to add water and then boil it. And while boiling, you have to prepare the rest of the ingredients like garlic, bay leaves, onions, carrots, potato, and of course our chorizo. And it is really good, guys. You have to try this. I cook this many times in my previous videos, and our kids love this dish, and yeah, we all love this dish, guys. This is a typical Spanish dish, especially in the cold days or in winter time. That's why we always have this at least every 15 days or sometimes once a week. We are all in the kitchen. The kids are having pika pika because they said that they are hungry, and while I am chopping the ingredients or I'm cooking, my husband is also mopping the floor, as you can see in the background. So thankful to have a very helpful husband. Sí, tenim animals. Sí, cariño. Our lentils is cooked, and don't forget to season it with salt. As you can see that the liquid or the soup has this chorizo color because of the paprika of the chorizo. Thank you very much for joining me today here in our Spanish homestead. I hope you like it. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I see you again next time. Bye!